Okay, hi. So we're gonna be doing this here today. So I'm going to be reviewing this guy right here. So this is Nature's Charm Coconut Whipping Cream. And I'm not sure if you guys have seen this on the market before, but I've been kind of obsessed lately with trying to find a recipe for vegan Cool Whip. Like not just whipping coconut milk, but actually like fluffy Cool Whip. So I thought that I would give this a try. And what the company is saying is essentially this whole can you can whip up and it whips up into cream. Versus, you guys know the old-fashioned way of whipping vegan cream is you take a can of coconut cream and you stick it in the freezer, and then afterwards you take out just the fat that floats up to the top. And so of course the fat is more solid, and then you end up whipping the fat instead. And it comes out okay, like it kind of comes out as a very soft set whipped cream, but it's never really Cool Whip worthy. So I thought that I would give this a chance. Dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. It was around £2.50 or like 3 pounds a can, so it's not inexpensive. And the ingredients, let's see in the back, so you have coconut cream, 90%, virgin coconut oil, 8.3%, you have a little bit of coconut sugar, and then the thickener, guar gum, and then a little bit of vanilla extract. And I'm wondering if I get a little bit of guar gum, whether that is going to be what makes the difference between like kind of like a fluffy, thicker cream than not. I usually get coconut milk, so this is coconut cream and it's 90%, so I feel like that is a pretty high amount of cream. So maybe this can is just like all fat, so that you guys can whip it. I have my bowl right here. We're gonna turn the cameras down. Preparation time. So you're supposed to either refrigerate this overnight or freeze for 5 hours. I have frozen overnight instead, but I took it out like an hour ago, so hopefully that'll right my wrong. Whip at medium speed for 3 minutes and then enjoy. So, all right. I suppose it's gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna turn the camera so that you guys can see it. Hold on. Where are you? Okay. Okay. Here it is. Let's open this guy up. Oh yeah. For the stove, hopefully it'll just come out. I don't know why. Okay. I think we got it. All right. Ooh. Okay. So it's now a couple of hours later. What I did was I melted everything in the microwave. I stuck it back into the fridge for like 5 hours, and this is how it looks like now. I don't know if there's still some like clumps of frozen bits, but I think as it blends, it should kind of like melt a little bit. So that is how thick the cream is before. I'm gonna stick, I know they have a little bit of sugar already, but I'm gonna stick a little bit of sugar in case if, I don't know, in case if it needs the sugar. So, okay, no, okay. Plug is on this side. I am a righty. Let's go. Okay, so this is right at around 3 minutes. I'm sorry, it's shaking. Here first. Okay, cool. So that was right around 3 minutes. I didn't want to beat it some more because I was worried that by beating it too much, it might get too warm and then it might go back down again. One thing I did notice was there is, oh, color's so funky now. The sun's going down because it's 5 hours later. You can't really do that meringue bowl thing. It's a little bit softer than that, but I do see some color change. Like the parts that were whipped are lighter because there should be more air bubbles in it than the ones on the side. I had some stuff stuck on the side that was a little bit more kind of off-white in color. I would say this is like very like soft peaks, right? I would say that the cream whipped up really well. Like normally when you whip the cream, you only get to whip like, I don't know, like the half can of the cream because the cream generally floats to the top and that's the part that you can whip up. But this one, you were able to whip the whole can of cream because it was very thick. In terms of how it whipped up, I wasn't sure how fluffy or like how stiff it would get. So at around the 3 minute point, I kind of like noticed like, oh, it kind of has looked the same for about like 30 seconds or so. Like it hasn't really changed too much. So I stopped it there because I was worried that the heat from mixing everything might start melting this guy instead. I'd say very, very soft peaks if you could. So I don't think that I was able to get the Cool Whip texture that I was looking for, where it's like really, really fluffy. But flavor is good. That being said, I think that this might whip like a little bit better than if you just had a can of coconut cream. I think that this would be really nice on top of like hot chocolate, or if you wanted to mix this cream inside, you know, some custard or something. I think that that would definitely work. So I enjoyed this product. I'm still going to be on my hunt for finding that Cool Whip recipe. So you guys let me know if you have any leads on it. I definitely, I've been looking into various ingredients to see how to make that work. But I hope you guys all enjoyed this review of the Nature's Charm Coconut Whipping Cream. And yeah, if you want to see me review anything else, make sure to let me know down below, and I will see you guys all again next time. Bye. But no, it's not, I guess it's not like Cool Whip.